What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the error code 216 or 201 in Star Wars Battlefront II, which usually pops up when there are connection or server issues preventing you from playing online. First, check the EA servers to see if there's an outage or maintenance. You can do this by visiting the EA help website or checking their official Twitter account. If the servers are down, the error isn't on your end. You'll need to wait until they're back online. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable, and try switching to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, as it's more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also try resetting your network settings on your PC or console to refresh your connection. If you're on PC, run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or executable file, choose Run as Administrator, and see if that solves the issue. On consoles, ensure your system software is up to date and check for any game updates. Installing the latest patches often fixes unexpected errors. Finally, some players have resolved these error codes by changing their DNS settings to a public DNS like Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. You can update these settings in your network configuration on PC or console. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the error code 216 or 201 and jump back into Star Wars Battlefront II without interruptions. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!